Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
We're rolling. Okay, and we got 8 wheels rolling. The truck only has 4. That means the boat is in tow. We got 4 more. How about that?
Where are we going?
We ain't caught nothing all year.
We're going to a little local lake in Alabama.
I've won like 4 local tournaments this year, using all my luck up on the local tournaments. So we're going to a lake close to the house, small little local lake. So all there is to it, that I absolutely love fishing. We went to Fort Loudon, caught them decent for the tournament conditions. After, went fishing 2 or 3 times with my buddy Jacob Wheelers, most of y'all know, and we ain't caught jack, ain't caught nothing. So I'm going where I know I can catch some. Big hook sets, braid, 25-pound sunline shooter. Hunter's gonna be flipping, I'm gonna be flipping, I'm gonna be swim jigging, throwing a jig, chatterbait, spinnerbait, whatever it takes. We gonna catch a bunch of them today. So let's get over there, set the hook a bunch, have a good time, get back in the groove of actually catching a dang bass, because after this past 10 or 12 days of fishing, it don't seem like I know how to catch a fish too well. So let's get over there and have a good time. All right, we've made it to the small little local lake now. We're gonna have the YOLO Tech up, couple chesties, maybe even dash cam, I don't know, but leave me a comment, let me know what angle y'all like to see me catch these bass from, because I'm trying to make the videos as best as possible so all the votes count, and I appreciate it. Your vote does actually count, at least in this one, so I'm just kidding. But let me know, leave a comment what angle you like the best. Check. What is the deal, man? We should have got a bite in here. Gosh, dude, that could have been a big one too. Yeah, it was a fish. That about broke my freaking arm, dude. Came there and got that thing on a short rope. Got me one though. It's crazy how exactly where these fish are supposed to be, these fish always are. What is it? Did you say hook set? You about broke my arm. He got me. It's a pretty one though. I mean, he hit me on a short rope. I tried to set the hook and my arm was just like, that's all we got. You don't got none?
Like, it looks like by the splits it would do like this.
I busted him. Just wasn't a whole lot to bust, was there? It's going to be extremely difficult for me now to not flip this last tree, because this last tree is going to have a little duper on there, you know what I'm saying? It's going to have a little duper on there. I'm just going to swim by it. I'm not even going to flip nothing to it. See it right there?
That's where I would have went if I was trying to get there.
Where was you trying to get? As soon as you pull it over that limb, it's gonna fall right in the freaking motherland of opportunity to get a dadgum bite. Hunter does what's called the super slow in the juice. Super slow. Now lay it down this outside of it. Ooh, it's in there, Hunter. It's in there where he's supposed to be at, too, I'm telling you.
Is he going with it?
Is that a fish?
Yes.
If it's a fish, you better get him. Hard. Big?
Good one.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Are you going to swing him or get him?
I'm just going to swing him.
Okay, swing him, but you can't high stick him.
Am I high sticking him right now?
Reel more down, reel more down.
Now?
Hurry. Yes, okay, drop him. Is he going?
I said, is he going with it?
He's headed out with it.
Oh my goodness.
That little ace jig. Hunter said, is he like going with it? I was like, I don't know, it's ran 35 feet. You got a dang good one too, 3-pounder.
Okay, sister, look at my fish.
Dang old 3-pounder. Oh, you got a good one. You want another one?
I caught a fish. I caught a
Dang
fish.
good one. Three-pounder.
Mine was bigger.
You want to have it?
No, but did you see how far I had to reel up on? I was like, before I could even set the hook, there was so much slack.
There's a lot going on there for a minute.
There was so much slack on my line.
I thought you was going to set the hook too early. I was just watching, I was like,
You mean before I got to the fish?
yeah. Before you got all the slack out.
Yeah. Guess what? Guess who didn't know?
Big
Guess
booty
who
Judy
didn't
with a
know?
daggum. Big booty. Got me one. Nice little one. About a 9-pounder. About 9 pounds, you can see. Alright, this is actually the next day, but I forgot to make an outro yesterday. But it is March, so we're fishing every single day, which you can see behind me. This lake is not 7 feet low. But me and Hunter had a good time. We both caught some really, really nice fish. Got to catch them the fun way, shallow, 20-pound line, some braid. Had a good time. Caught some flipping, a D-bomb, a couple on the swim jig, a couple on a chatterbait with a shockwave trailer, and Hunter caught one on the ace jig. There you go, a nice one. I caught one on the ace jig too, just wasn't quite as nice as Hunter, so had a really good time out there though. Love fishing this time of year, and we're gonna be fishing a ton, putting out a ton of videos. We got the camera back, so a ton of videos are coming. You don't wanna miss them. Hit the subscribe button and turn the alerts on. We'll see y'all in the next video.